Hello guys, today we will talk about vehicle information, its definition, its history and public policies, and in our next videos we will talk about its other constituents. Okay, let's start. Vehicle insurance, also known as car insurance, motor insurance, or auto insurance. Vehicle insurance is insurance for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other road vehicles. Its primary use is to provide financial protection against physical damage or bodily injury resulting from traffic collisions and against liability that could also arise from incidents in a vehicle. Vehicle insurance may additionally offer financial protection against theft of the vehicle and against damage to the vehicle sustained from events other than traffic collisions, such as skiing, weather, or natural disasters, and damages sustained by colliding with stationary objects. The specific terms of vehicle insurance vary with legal regulations in each region. This was all about vehicle insurance, and now we will move towards the other topic of vehicle insurance, which is its history. Okay, let's start. Widespread use of motor car began after the First World War in urban areas. Cars were relatively fast and dangerous by that stage. Yet there was still no compulsory form of car insurance anywhere in the world. This meant that injured victims would rarely get any compensation in a car crash, and drivers often faced considerable costs for damage to their car and property. So, a compulsory car insurance scheme was first introduced in the United Kingdom with the Road Traffic Act 1930. This ensured that all vehicle owners and drivers had to be insured for their liability for injury or death to third parties while their vehicle was being used on a public road. Germany enacted similar legislation in 1939 called the Act on the Implementation of Compulsory Insurance for Motor Vehicle Owners. Firstly, we talked about what is vehicle insurance, and it is the insurance for cars, trucks, and motor vehicles and other road vehicles. And Then we talked about its history. Its First car insurance scheme was first introduced in United Kingdom, and its act was Road Traffic Act 1930. And after that, Germany in 1939 also enacted the similar legislation, which is called as Act on the Implementation of Compulsory Insurance for Motor Vehicle Owners. Okay, then we will talk about public policies, and after that we will talk about the countries and their legislation acts and their rules and regulations. Now we will talk about public policies. So let's start. In many jurisdictions, it is compulsory to have vehicle insurance before using or keeping a motor vehicle on public roads. Most jurisdictions relate insurance to both the car and the driver. However, the degree of each varies greatly. Several jurisdictions have experimented with a pay as you drive insurance plan, which utilizes either a tracking device on the vehicle or vehicle diagnostics. This could address issues of uninsured motorists by providing additional options and also charge based on the distance driven, which could theoretically increase the efficiency of insurance through streamlined collection. So, this was all about the vehicle insurance, its history, and public policies. In vehicle insurance, we talked about its definition and what it is and then we talked about its history. In history, its law acts and in United Kingdom and in Germany, and then we talked about public policies, about vehicle insurance.